In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can set up a profile picture on the Zoom mobile app. So once you've launched Zoom, you want to go ahead and tap on settings at the bottom right. Then where it says your name, you want to tap on that right at the top. And now the first option that says profile photo. So I have a profile photo set, but if you didn't, you would have to tap on that. And now you have two options, take a photo or choose photo. So I'm going to choose a photo, just want to allow it to my gallery. And I'm going to select this photo. And you will have to crop it. That looks good to me. So I'm going to tap on the tick mark at the top right. And now my profile photo has been set. I can go back and you can see my new profile photo. So that is how you add a profile photo on the Zoom mobile app. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.